So this is a quick one. If you're working on any Elementor project and you want to do something like this floating stuff that you normally see in mostly in the hero section that tells you that oh there's something below, there's more content below. If you want to do this with Elementor, there's something in this figure. If you go to your let's say your hero section or anywhere you want to add it, all you have to do is you just add in the HTML widgets, and then you copy and paste this code. I'm going to add this code to the description. So you paste this in, and once you do, you get this. Yeah, if you want to change the color, you can change the color from here. That's what this is for. You can also change the stroke, bounce, how far the bounce goes, the speed, and all those other things. So you can see the code is very flexible. You can customize it as you see fit. But yeah, that's basically it. You don't need to use any SVG or um, GIF animations or anything like that. You just need to add this in, and that's all. That's basically it. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions or anything else you want me to create a video about, just leave a comment in the description.